thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to learn all about 2D shapes. You probably remember learning about 2D shapes last year in kindergarten. So what is a 2D or two-dimensional shape? A 2D shape is a closed shape. What do you notice about closed shapes and open shapes? Right, closed shapes have no openings, so all the sides are connected. The open shapes have openings, so if you were inside an open shape, you'd be able to jump right out. If you're inside a closed shape, you'd be kind of stuck. So 2D shapes are closed shapes. 2D shapes are plane shapes. And I don't mean an airplane. When I say plane, what do you think I mean? Right, I mean flat. They are flat shapes. So 2D shapes are closed and flat. Let's say that together. Closed and flat. Great, so now that takes me to attributes. Let's say that word 3 times together. Attributes, attributes, attributes. What are attributes? Attributes are characteristics, something a shape has. For example, a square has 4 corners and 4 sides. Those are the attributes of a square. When we think about the attributes of a shape, it's helpful to think about the corners and sides. The corners are when we have at least 2 sides touching. 2 sides touching creates a corner. The sides are the straight lines of a shape. So we have sides and corners. We need the sides to create the corners. Nice job. So let's take a look at a few shapes and practice counting the corners and sides. This is a pentagon. Can you count the corners and sides on the pentagon? Great job, let's do it together. The pentagon has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 corners and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. Let's take a look at this rectangle. How many corners and how many sides does a rectangle have? Great job! Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4 corners and 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. I have one more shape. A triangle. How many corners and sides are on the triangle? Great counting. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3 corners and 1, 2, 3 sides. The triangle has 3 corners and 3 sides. Excellent job finding the attributes of these shapes. Good luck with your work. We miss you all so much and thank you for tuning in. Bye.